election results. Real time. That's what we are coming to. It's not too much. Exactly.
It's saying transfer. No, we are saying
here and there, you are transmitting our results
to the IREF.
Finish. That's all.
In 2022, Yakubu promised us that it will be in return that in a case where there is no network, when they move to where there is network, it will automatically upload. So what happened? Why is Fabio speaking for INEC? Why is he speaking for INEC? He's giving INEC so that there's no network. So if there's no network, they should talk to all those fintech network companies. They can do it for them. Or they should talk to Open and Money Point to do it for them. Simple.
We have 1 year to plan, yeah? We are coming out to say we want our results to be, as in, to put it at the IREF immediately. We need it. Electronic transmission of our results. That's what we want. Of the election results, real time. That's what we want. That's what we are clamoring for. We are not saying that this, that. We want our vote must count. That was what we want. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. One vote. No rigging. That's what we want. We don't want rigging. God bless you. We don't want rigging. All we want is transmit our results to the area there and there. That is what we are coming from.